We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pom。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month is travel month for the county of 花莲。花莲真的是我们台湾很漂亮的一个地方哦。然后刚好呢，这个月呢，11月呢是花莲的观光月 ，That's travel month. And I understand, I've heard because 其实讲到花莲或者东岸来讲的话，我们第一个想到的是都是原住民，都是 indigenous people.
碾出闽。
碾出闽 Okay, that's indigenous people. But there's also Hakka there too, 哈，也有这个客家庄或者客家聚集的城镇嘛。
有啊，像花莲嘅鳳林鎮。
哪里？
鳳林。
哦，鳳林啊。Okay, so there's a town called 鳳林. And that's where you can find a lot of
有客家人。
客家人哦 yeah, there's Hakka and the culture. 这个鳳林鎮裡面有沒有所謂的像
HTP 嘅係嘛？
有什麼樣的東西？
有客家文物館。
哦 The Hakka 文物館 that's Hakka Cultural Center 就是文化館嘛。
對，文物館。
Oh, and you know what? I understand that this month, if you go to Hualien, there's a lot of promotions going around. For instance, if you check into hotels, they're going to give you a great discount up to 50% off. And if you go watch movies, it's going to cost you very, very little. So go check it out yourself. And there's a lot of other things to do in Hualien as well. 其实花莲呢，除了刚刚讲的这些优惠之外呢，当然我们也可以去这个客家文物館 ，right？ and 鳳林鎮。还有一个东西一定不要错过，就是要吃麻糬。
糍粑。
糍粑。糍粑就是麻糬啊。
对呀。
See, 麻糬 is this really nice dessert here in Taiwan. It's made out of rice, and it's sticky and it's sweet. Usually you have peanut paste in it, or sesame paste in it, or red beans. 糍粑。
教你一句话，軟軟嘅。
軟軟嘅
糍粑，
軟軟的麻糬嗎？大家請小心講哦，軟軟嘅糍粑，軟軟嘅糍粑 That means soft and tender mochi. I think that's what it's called in English. Mochi. Okay? 糍粑. So there you go. Go ahead and celebrate Hualien's Travel Month and hope you have a good time. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.